Moving on, more than 500 farmers in Mandera County are counting losses after River Dawa burst its banks following heavy rains in neighboring Ethiopia. The farmers who had invested in vegetables and fruit farming said the floods hit at the worst time when they were almost harvesting their fields. Mandera town, which is a few kilometers away from the river, is also at a risk of flooding.
Hundreds of acres of land under vegetable and fruit farming in Mandera County have been marooned by waters following heavy rains in neighboring Ethiopia. River Dawa, which flows from Ethiopia, has burst its banks, and the more than 500 farmers in Mandera who had invested in onions, tomatoes and mangoes have little to salvage.
Mumea yote ambayo tumepanda, ambayo tulikuwa tumeanza kuvuna nyanya, kitunguu, mahindi, yote imeoza. Umeoza, hata mwenye kutaka kuangalia anaweza kuja katika shamba waangalie saa huu.
Ingine ile naiva iko ndani ya maji, hiyo kuna kushasagwa kama mashine ya mahindi. Hiyo sasa hata hawezi patikana, mainjini kushaenda, mapipe pia.
Temporary structures along the river have neither been spared.
Wacha watu kidogo ambao wanalima kilo 20, kilo 30, wacha hizi kwanza ni karibu watu 500 hivi. Lakini hawa ndio wamesarika kubwa sana. Kila mmoja amelima karibu kilo 200, 120, 130 hivi.
Locals now want the county and national governments to intervene before the waters get to Mandera town, a few kilometers from the flooding river.
Sisi nataka usaidizi. Sasa injini yote, hata shamba yangu peke yake injini 5 iko juu. Injini yote imeenda na maji. Kila kitu, hii Mandera County yote hakuna shamba saa iko injini yote imeenda.
Mandera Central Assistant County Commissioner Mike Wangila says his team is surveying the area to ensure the situation does not affect homes.
Mengi maribika, BP1, Markasuftu, na tunakadiria kwamba vitu ambavyo vimeharibika ni vingi sana.
The Kenya Meteorological Department is warning of more rains in the month of November. According to the weatherman, the northern parts of Kenya will largely be affected because of the heavy rains being experienced in neighboring Ethiopia and Somalia. This is attributed to the convergence of southeast and northeast winds that usually form the rainfall during this time of the year. Irene Mchuma Udim, Channel 1.